A very good morning and Jai Hind everyone. We all are here for Christmas celebration and I'm extremely honored to welcome you all. We are extremely happy that a very good morning and Jai Hind everyone. We all are here for Christmas celebration. I'm extremely honored to welcome you all. We are extremely happy that Jatin of UKG has his birthday today. Let us all get together to wish him a very happy birthday. I request Surya sir to bring Jatin in spotlight.
Yes.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Jatin. And I wish Nehal also a very happy birthday. Nehal of 3B. I come to know that Nehal, today is your birthday also.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jatin. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nehal. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Shivam sir. Now I request Shivam sir to start the program with a melodious song. Over to you, Shivam sir.
Hello everyone. Wish you a Merry Christmas. So, as you all know that today we are going to celebrate a Christmas. So, we have learned one song that is Joy to the World. Now what you have to do, you all have to sing with me. Okay? Is it okay? ठीक है. Those who are understand, like we did in the class, show me your thumbs up on the screen quickly. Do it faster. Okay, so on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven, nature sing. Okay, let welcome to the Jesus Christ on the earth. 1, 2, 3, start. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven, nature sing. Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ. Let men their songs employ. While fields and flood, rock hills and plains, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let earth receive her King. Let earth receive her King. Merry Christmas to everyone.
Thank you, Shivam sir. It was really very nice. Thank you so much. Now, our KG to 2 teachers will present a short skit. Over to you, Kainat ma'am.
Christmas is celebrated on 25th December all over the world. It commemorates the birth of Jesus Christ. So, allow me to tell you a beautiful story about his birth. Long, long ago, in the town of Nazareth, there lived a girl, Mary. She was to be married to a good and honest man, Joseph. Before their marriage, an angel named Gabriel was sent to Mary.
Who are you? I am Gabriel, the angel of the Lord. Mary, don't be afraid, for you have found favor to the Lord. He loves you very much and has chosen you to bear his son.
Why, I am the chosen one.
Mary, you are the one to give birth to his son. He will be the savior of the world and will be known as the Son of God.
The angel left, and Mary was overjoyed.
I am the handmaid of God. May the God do as he wants to do with me.
As the time of the child's birth drew near, the young couple, Mary and Joseph, had to go to Bethlehem, their hometown, for the census. about 65 miles from Nazareth. The journey took many days. When they reached, all the inns were full.
Mary, you must be tired. You may wait here and make yourself comfortable. I will go and search a suitable place for you.
Joseph kept knocking on every door again and again, but he was turned away everywhere. Mary was about to have a baby.
Oh, Mary, I have tried almost all the inns, but it looks like all are full now. Dear Mary, how are you feeling now? You must be really tired.
Yes, Joseph, I am tired, but please don't worry. God has surely left some place for us.
Oh God, please help me. Please tell me, what should I do? Where should I go? Please help me. What should I do?
God heard their prayers. An innkeeper offered them a place to stay. It was not a castle, not a mansion, not even an inn room. It was a small, humble stable. They settled down there.
You wait here. I will go and get some fresh hay for you so that you can lie comfortably.
It was a wonderful night that Jesus was born. A big star was shining in the sky. They laid their baby in a manger as there was no crib. Near Bethlehem that night there were some shepherds who were keeping a watch over their flocks. Suddenly, an angel appeared before them.
I have a good news for you. A Savior has been born.
What? Really? Who is the Savior? How can we meet him? Who is he?
He is Jesus, the Son of the Lord. He is born to Mary and Joseph. He is in a manger in Bethlehem. Hurry along, and you shall meet him soon.
बैतलहम की गौशाले में जीवन का उजियाला है। यहाँ स्वयं आकाश उतर कर इस धरती पर आया है। बैतलहम की गौशाले में जीवन का उजियाला है। यहाँ स्वयं आकाश उतर कर इस धरती पर आया है।
The shepherds were so excited. They ran all the way to the stable where they saw baby Jesus sleeping peacefully. They were humbled and overjoyed. They spread the good news to everyone. Jesus Christ, our Savior, is born.
Thank you.
It was really amazing. Thank you, teachers. Christmas is never complete without melodious carols. Let us hear the school choir render one of them. Over to you, Vijay sir. Thank you, children. Here come the joyous children of class 9 to 12 who express their joy on the occasion of Christmas by way of Bhangra fusion. Over to you, Shipra ma'am.
Where my Punjabis at? Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bride was seated by my side. Her horse was mean and lank, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank, and we got upside. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Thank you, children. It was a wonderful performance. Now, children, get ready. Let us all join Kishan sir in an energetic dance. Over to you, Kishan sir.
Hello children, Merry Christmas. All of you ready? Show me thumbs up. Okay.
Kính mời cộng đoàn cùng vui với các em thiếu nhi xã họ chào đón Chúa ra đời. Đây vũ khúc We Wish You a Merry Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings to you and all of your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a happy new year. Good tidings to you wherever you are. Good tidings for Christmas and a happy new year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to all the children. I hope you enjoy this performance. Best wishes for you all. Merry Christmas once again.
Thank you. Now I request Principal Sir to share his views with all of us. Please give me mic. Sir has got gift from Santa.
Once again, good morning and Jai Hind to all. On this auspicious day of celebration of the Christmas Day, we are celebrating it today on 24th, though Christmas we will be celebrating tomorrow on 25th. On this very auspicious occasion, I, on behalf of everyone from the Sunbeam School Mughal Sarai family, I wish you all Merry Christmas. Children, I can see that all of you have joined in this celebration of the Merry Christmas Day with, I can see many of you are already wearing the costume of Santa and you are dancing with the Santa Claus of the day, Geetika Madam. I don't know whether you have understood that it is Geetika Ma'am. So Geetika Ma'am has very nicely and beautifully dressed up as Santa Claus and I received a gift from her. So thank you, Santa of the school, also for presenting me a very nice chocolate today. Though if you would have been with us today, we would have been very happy to share the sweets with all of you. Anyhow, you are at home and celebrate Christmas Day with all your friends, family members, parents, brothers, sisters very nicely. And then we'll be proceeding for the New Year's Day celebration. I wish you all in advance a very, very happy New Year 2021. I wish that the new year 2021 will bring more happiness for all of us. We'll be free from this pandemic and we are eagerly waiting for your arrival to the school. We miss you all. We all miss you. We miss you very much. But we know that when you are at home, you are safe, you are taking care of your health, you are taking care of safety. Follow all the instructions given by your parents. Be a wonderful child for your parent and be always connected with your teachers because your teachers are helping you in studies. They are making you interested in various activities, fun activities. So that is how we are connected with you. So once again, I wish you all Merry Christmas. Enjoy the day, celebrate the day, and be happy. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, sir, for your wishes. Children, I hope you all have enjoyed the program. Merry Christmas to all of you. Stay safe, stay happy. Jai Hind. Bye.